Ecocontact is a multi-component metal foam in 6 mm thick sheets, which is placed between two electrical contacts. The foam's microtips drill through the contact's oxide layers. An intrametallic distribution is generated, creating thousands of micro-welds. The number of contact points is multiplied, thus reducing significantly the electrical resistance. Ecocontact can be installed in any kind of bolted contact, whether in aluminium, copper, bared or tinned. The following demo aims at testing Ecocontact's efficiency. We measure the electrical resistance of an aluminium and copper contact with a micro-ohmmeter device. First of all, the electrical resistance is measured without Ecocontact. The resistance without Ecocontact is 0.303 milliohm. We now proceed to Ecocontact's installation. The electrical contact is loosened by a few millimeters, with a dynamometric key. The nut remains in place, which prevents any fall or loss. Ecocontact is introduced in between the two surfaces. The contact is tightened to the torque. The foam's microtips drill and enter into the contact's metal parts, without any preliminary pickling. The electrical resistance with Ecocontact is now 0.017 milliohm. Here is an overview of the results with and without Ecocontact, based on a 500 ampere electric current. Without Ecocontact, the electrical resistance reaches 0.303 milliohm, which induces a 76 watt energy loss. With Ecocontact, the electrical resistance is lowered down to 0.017 milliohm and the energy loss only 4 watts. The result of installing Ecocontact is a 95% saving on energy. Let's now have a look at the energy consumption and cost by year for this electrical contact, taking in account 8,000 hours of use by year and an industrial kilowatt-hour cost of €0.1706. Without Ecocontact, the yearly consumption raises to 606 kilowatt-hour, which represents a cost of €103 for the whole year. With Ecocontact, the yearly consumption goes down to 34 kilowatt-hour, and its cost to only €6. Installing Ecocontact results in a 95% financial gain. Let's now take the example of a machine park with around 50 electrical contacts. Without Ecocontact, the energy cost for 1 year would be €5,150 and only €300 with Ecocontact. The resulting savings on energy bill amount to almost €4,850 by year. The purchase cost for 50 Ecocontact parts is €450. Return on investment is achieved in only 1 month. The total financial gain amounts to €4,400 over 1 year and more than €48,050 over 10 years. Ecocontact permanently secures your bolted contacts by removing hot spots. Considerably increases electrical contact's lifetime. Lowers the contact's resistance by over 80%. Reduces energy losses by over 80%. Cuts off maintenance operations.